At this stage, guys, you're working very hard to battle anger. You're trying very hard to find time to do the activities as well. And it is very important for you to remain motivated and maintain that initial effort you took to the finish line. In order to stay motivated, it is important to reward ourselves for our hard work. Do something fun for your partner or kids. Go for a movie night. Go out for a good meal. Eat a cone of ice cream you've been waiting for. Or simply just brainstorm how you can reward yourself or you can even Google it. You need to make a plan of how you are going to reward yourself for changing your life for the better. And this plan can be every week or even every 2 weeks. And you need to stick your plan on the wall so that you see it every day. This will help you to keep motivated because at the beginning, it can be so difficult to redirect your thoughts to impermanence and meta thoughts when you experience an anger trigger. We need to attack anger from all flanks, guys, to destroy it because it is worth the time and effort. Simply, you can't take back that time we don't enjoy this life because of the agony anger makes us go through. So we need to keep trying, and we also need to reward ourselves very well for this effort because we deserve it. So I'll give you some tips for your fortnightly or weekly self-rewards plan, which I'm going to write up and stick it on the wall. What about new clothes and jewelry? Oh, even grown-up toys such as DJ equipment, records, and even softwares. What about things that make you feel even better, like makeup, skincare products, and moisturizers for ladies? And I like this one. How about a night in a hotel by yourself? Read a book by the pool, watch documentaries on cable, order your overpriced room service, and sleep with blackout curtains closed. I think this is very attractive, especially for people with big families. And what about having a great day at a spa or get that relaxing massage? How about going to the beach and reading a book, then catching up with friends later? That's a good motivator. Also, another one is you can go to a theater or enjoy a gold class movie to reward yourself. That's nice. Stand up paddleboarding and a day off work. That might sound good as well. How about locking yourself in your house? Put the phone on silent and have an online TV marathon. That might interest many out here. Or you can simply go to a nice restaurant or discover new places. You can also buy a new pair of runners or a dress. Or you can simply cook a great meal and celebrate with others. And how about that dream holiday if you've been busting your butt for 90 days for practicing these activities? By then, you'll be all over anger and you will be able to enjoy that dream holiday to your best. Just imagine how many holidays have we ruined because of our anger. How many times have we been dreaming about going for a holiday and we finally went for the holiday and for some reason we got angry and ruined that holiday altogether. But this way, you do all the activities for 90 days continuously, consecutively, and to reward yourself, you go and enjoy that dream holiday and you will be really able to enjoy it for a difference. With that said, I'll see you in the next chapter.